In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with a beginner's start guide. If you're opening the game for the first time or you just want a clear understanding of the basics, this walkthrough will help you build a strong foundation and avoid confusion early on. The goal here is to make those first few minutes much easier so you know exactly what to look for and how to keep progressing consistently. To begin, open Chrome on your device and search for a beginner's start guide for the game. This is a helpful first step because a good guide can give you a quick overview of the main features, common terms, and the overall flow of progression. When you're just starting out, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the icons, menus, and rewards, so having a simple guide nearby can make the experience much smoother. Once you've got that basic reference point, take some time to understand board navigation, dice regeneration, and sticker collection. These are three of the most important systems for beginners. Board navigation is all about recognizing how movement works and how your progress unfolds as you move from tile to tile. Pay attention to what different spaces do and how your actions on the board connect to rewards, upgrades, or future progress. Next, focus on dice regeneration. Since dice are tied directly to movement, they're one of your most important resources. If you use them too quickly without understanding how they recover, you may end up stuck waiting longer than necessary. Learn how the regeneration system works, keep an eye on your available dice, and try to get into the habit of spending them thoughtfully instead of all at once. Sticker collection is another major part of early progression. As you play, you'll likely collect stickers through rewards and events, and these often contribute to larger sets or bonuses over time. Even if it seems like a side feature at first, it can become a valuable part of your overall strategy, so it's worth understanding from the beginning. Finally, make sure to claim daily online dice bonuses to maintain constant progress. This is one of the easiest ways to stay active without needing to spend extra time or resources. Checking in regularly for daily bonuses helps keep your dice supply healthier and gives you more opportunities to keep moving, collecting, and advancing. If you follow these basics from the start, you'll have a much easier time building momentum and enjoying the game without unnecessary guesswork.